Want to create a garden that feels mysterious, moody, and totally magical? You need a Gothic garden, and it all starts with the right plants. In this video, I'll show you the most stunning dark leaf plants, how to style them, and how to make your space look like something out of a Gothic fairy tale. Let's get dramatic. Dark plants for a Gothic garden. Black velvet alocasia. Velvety, almost black leaves with silver veins. Compact, striking, and perfect for containers. Colocasia, black magic. Huge, deep purple-black leaves that give major haunted jungle vibes. Loves water and heat. Heuchera obsidian, a low-growing perennial with shiny jet-black ruffled leaves. Gorgeous in borders or pots. Black mondo grass, dark as night, grassy texture. Perfect for edging or pairing with pale blooms. Rex begonia, dark mambo. Twisted metallic dark foliage with a wild pattern. It looks painted by shadows. Purple shamrock. Not black, but those deep burgundy leaves and delicate blooms add the perfect Gothic touch. Care tips. Keep them out of harsh sun so the color doesn't fade. Use well-draining soil and don't overwater. Soggy roots are the enemy. Want less work? Group plants with similar needs and use mulch to lock in moisture. Not enough light? Add a simple grow light to keep the leaves bold indoors or in shade. Dark blooming flowers. Black petunia, almost ink black petals. Easy to grow in pots and stunning with anything silver or green. Chocolate cosmos. Deep red-brown petals with a sweet cocoa scent. Loves full sun and blooms all summer. Queen of night tulips. Glossy dark purple-black blooms that look royal and mysterious. Perfect for spring drama. Scabiosa. Black night. Rich plum-black pincushion flowers that float above delicate stems. Great for cutting gardens. Nigella midnight. Feathery foliage with spiky dark blooms and eerie seed pods. Adds texture and wild charm. Decor and atmosphere. Now that you've got the plants, it's time to set the scene. Gothic gardens are all about mood, and a few simple touches can turn your space into pure magic. Wrought iron and metal details. Use trellises, arches, or garden gates with ornate black or rusted ironwork. Instant Victorian vibes. Lanterns and candlelight. Place black or aged lanterns around the garden. Go solar for glow without fire. Stone and statues. Think crumbling urns, cherubs, gargoyles, or busts. The more weathered, the better. Aged pots and planters. Matte black, clay, or mossy terracotta. Pathways. Gravel, flagstone, or stepping stones create structure and mystery. Let moss creep in around the edges.